BRS is a solution to a problem. Whether that problem is damaging waste streams, increasing energy production, creating jobs, all of the above. We have the ability to take environmental burdens and convert those burdens into profitable commodities.
The primary application for BRS technology capabilities is expressed through the tire-derived fuel plant. This project converts scrap waste tires into diesel-grade fuel, syngas, electricity, steel, and carbon. The basic stages of this process are as follows. The tires are received at the processing facility pre-compressed in the form of ecologically compliant EnviroBlocks, or baled tires. These bales are shredded in a controlled and enclosed environment, providing the feedstock for the conversion process. The conversion process then takes place within a sealed chamber in the absence of oxygen, therefore with no combustion. The material is subsequently vaporized at a predetermined temperature. The resulting gas is condensed into diesel-grade fuels. The heavier tire components, such as steel and carbon, are sifted through the bottom of the gasifier. The residual syngas is returned to the fully enclosed system and provides an alternative energy source that allows the burner portion of the process to become energy self-reliant. Both syngas and diesel-grade fuels can be used to meet the energy demands of the facility itself and become available to the state and national electricity grids. Additional commodities recovered in the process are carbon and steel. These commodities are ultimately delivered to standard rail transport cars and transported straight to their relevant wholesale markets. They are not stored long-term on plant premises.
We shouldn't start with the technologies. It's a classic mistake when people hear about new technologies. They want to start with the technology first and then try and work back from there. We have a philosophy which is really quite simple. We are a solutions-based waste-to-energy consulting company, essentially. And the best way that we've found to engage with the community at large, who clearly believe that there is a problem that needs to be addressed. We found the best way for that to work is for it to be a three-stage process. So let's start with the problem. What is the problem? What is the waste stream? How big is the problem? What are the characteristics of the problem? We take all of that information, we analyze it here at our head office with our people. We do some testing at our demonstration facility, and then we present back to that prospective client for a fee a report that indicates to them exactly how we believe we can help them, or not. It's rare, but it would be potentially possible for us to be in a situation where we didn't believe that we would be the best solution for them. But that's relatively unlikely, because we believe we're the best source of solutions in this particular area. Now, at that point, that proposal would include a schedule of engagement. where we would identify the types of technology that would be applicable, the size of the plant involved. We would assist with the design, construction and commissioning of that plant at the client's site. And normally that site is able to be close to the source of the feedstock. That's the beauty of the modular way that we're able to apply our solutions. That the closer you are, naturally enough, to the feedstock, makes it far more efficient to solve the problem. So we take the solution to the problem, rather than what happens elsewhere, where people tend to take the problem somewhere else and turn a blind eye to it.